Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk about the bill that was passed by Senate and how it's going to affect homeowners and renters. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. All right, so this bill has not been fully approved yet, but if you're a homeowner, assistance is on the way. So according to the bill that was passed, it's an 800-page bill. It's right here, actually. Let me show you guys right here. So you can see 880 pages. So I'm going to save you guys the trouble. You don't have to read the whole thing. I am going to tell you guys what you need to know. And I'm going to pin this document as a comment under the video. So if you want to read it for yourself, go right ahead. Okay, so if you're a homeowner and you own a property, a single family, 1 to 4 unit property, and your mortgage is backed by the government, so it's a government loan. So that means Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, USDA, most loans of this type for single families and 1 to 4 units are going to be federally backed. Okay, so there is a website where you can go check to see if your loan is backed by the government. You can type Fannie Mae loan lookup, put in your information and see if your loan is Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. And if it is, you can request a forbearance, 4-month payment forbearance. So no payments for 4 months if you have a hardship due to the coronavirus. Okay. So one of the things that I noticed in this bill, I'll show you guys right here. It says during this period, a borrower with a federally backed mortgage loan experiencing a financial hardship due to directly or indirectly to COVID may request forbearance on their federally backed mortgage loan. So you have to submit the request to your servicer and affirm that you are experiencing a financial hardship. So the cool thing about that is they're not asking for any documentation. They're just saying, tell us that you had a hardship due to the coronavirus. And if you did, we're going to give you payment relief for 4 months. After the 4 months, you might be able to get a second extension for another 4 months. So that's 8 months of mortgage payments that you will be able to forbear, defer, however you want to call it. So this is not something that you should do automatically. Don't just stop paying your mortgage. You have to contact your mortgage servicer and get this approval in writing, follow the necessary steps and to, stop paying your mortgage. Don't just stop. You have to contact them. You have to go through the steps. You have to get written approval before you can do this. But if you do it, you get 4 months off. There's going to be no negative credit reporting. And what they're probably going to do, again, I don't know for sure because it hasn't completely passed. No one's done this yet. But what they'll probably do is they'll probably make you sign an agreement and they're going to roll the missed payments into the back of your loan. Okay, so it's probably what's going to happen. So 4 months with an extension for another 4 months. But contact your servicer. Don't just stop making payments. Very, very important. Now, if you own a 5-unit property or more, right? So if you own a commercial property, apartment building, something like that, it's a little bit more strict. Still needs to be a federally insured loan. And they're letting you skip one payment and then you have to request another missed, you have to request it month after month. So I don't know how many months that is going to happen for. I don't know how many months you're going to be able to skip if you own an apartment building or have a loan that's 5 units or more, basically a commercial type loan. I don't know what the exact how that's going to work out, but it's a little more strict. Okay, so one payment at a time is how they're doing it for commercial loans. So if you own an apartment building or anything like that. Okay, so if you're a homeowner though, and you have a single family 1 to 4 unit, help is on the way. No negative credit reporting. Skip 4 payments, possibly 4 more. Okay, that's for homeowners. Now, nothing in there. Now, if you're a renter, there's really nothing in there saying that you can just stop paying your rent. Okay, so this is something that in the circles, the real estate circles, the mortgage circles, like basically the advice that we've come up with is if you've had a hardship, due to the coronavirus, contact your landlord as soon as possible. Let them know the situation you're in. Let them know that, hey, I lost my job. I'm so on and so forth. There's not going to, evictions are going to be on hold during this time. So part of the stimulus package is that your landlord cannot evict you, but start the conversation with them. Say, hey, I can't pay the full rent, but I can pay half, or I can pay 25%. Work out some kind of agreement with your landlord, because if you just stop paying, and it's not a good way to maintain that relationship, right? So they still have to pay their mortgage. They might get a month or two off, but open the dialogue, open the conversation with your landlord, let them know what's going on, work out some kind of payment plan. Maybe you can say, hey, whatever rent that I have not paid, I can pay back at a later time. I can pay a higher amount and slowly pay back what I owe once this all clears up. So there's a few things that you can do, work something out with your landlord or your property manager. Call them, talk to them, let them know what's going on, let them know the hardship you're facing, and try to work something out with them. So that's it for today. Just quick, I want to make a quick video and let you guys know what's going on if you're a homeowner, if you're a renter, especially if you're a homeowner. It looks like there's going to be some help on the way. So stay tuned. And if you guys have any questions, you can always send me an email, roger@vantagehomeloans.com. This has not been approved yet. Okay, this has not been fully approved. This has been proposed by the Senate and approved by them. Still has to go to the House, still has to be signed off by the president, but hopefully by Monday, there's going to be more information. So I'll keep you guys updated and let you guys know what's going on. And if you're enjoying these videos and you want to keep seeing me make more and more videos, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Really appreciate your guys' support. If you have any questions, you can also leave a comment. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy out there, and I'll see you guys next time.